What if Earth had two suns? How our planet would change. Imagine waking up in the morning, pulling back the curtains, and boom, not one but two suns blazing in the sky. Sounds cool, right? Well, not so fast. Having a second sun might make for some epic sunsets, but it would also turn Earth into a chaotic, possibly unlivable mess. So, what would actually happen if Earth had two suns? Would we all fry? Would we have double rainbows? Let's find out. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into this. Step 1. How would two suns work? In space, many stars come in pairs. They're called binary star systems, but there's a catch. Planets in these systems often have crazy orbits or get flung into deep space. For Earth to survive, our second sun would have to be far enough not to mess with our orbit, but close enough to still give us light and heat. Otherwise, we'd either freeze to death or burn up. Spoiler alert, things won't end well either way. Step 2. Double the sun, double the heat. More sunlight means higher temperatures. If the second sun is anywhere near the size of our current sun, expect scorching hot days, almost no night, and possibly no ice caps. This means global temperatures skyrocket. Say goodbye to winter. Climate chaos. Deserts expand, and some places might become too hot for life. Sea levels rise because, melting ice caps. On the bright side, sunglasses sales would go through the roof. Step 3. What happens to night and day? If both suns are visible most of the time, nights as we know them would be gone. That means no real nighttime. Insomnia rates would skyrocket. Animals go crazy. No darkness means many species can't sleep or hunt properly. Cities would change. Who needs streetlights when it's always kinda bright? But wait, if the second sun orbits the first one, we'd get some darkness, but with random double sunrises and sunsets that would be stunning, if you're not too busy overheating. Step 4. Life on Earth would evolve differently, with double the sunlight. Plants might grow faster, but also struggle with overheating. Our skin would need more melanin to protect against constant UV exposure, meaning future humans might naturally develop darker skin as a survival trait. Also, let's be real, sunscreen companies would make trillions. Step 5. Would we even survive? Honestly, it depends. If the second sun is far away and small, life might adapt. But if it's too close or too massive, expect unbearable heat waves, massive storms due to changing wind patterns, possible gravitational chaos messing with Earth's orbit. Worst case, Earth could get flung out of the solar system or crash into one of the suns. Not exactly an ideal outcome. Final verdict. Be glad we only have one sun. Two suns sound awesome in Star Wars, but in reality, it would be a disaster. Earth's delicate balance would be completely thrown off, and surviving in this new world would be a serious challenge. So, let's all take a moment to appreciate our one perfect sun because, trust me, we don't need another one messing things up. Would you still want two suns, even with all these problems? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we've got more mind-blowing what-if scenarios coming your way.